section.
This, this is original. It's clean. Now you got this. This is chemical. Saturated. There we go. I'll let it sit proper.
But of course, the older the vehicle is, you know,
Well, that's the most of the times it's just the oil from the crank. That oil is on the. This is at the end of it. That's why I'm doing the end of it.
wow.
So this is the part. You know, a lot of times it don't come all the way out. But what it does is, as it dry, once it dries, it'll dry out and it won't get on your clothes as much, and it'll keep it from getting darker. So see how this part is lightening up compared to this. This the more you do it, the more it'll clean. So the more you do it, the more it'll clean. And then as it dry, it's gonna dry as well. So.